Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off your PlayStation 5 purely from using the PlayStation Portal. There is a couple of settings we have to enable to allow you to do this. It's useful then because if you're using this in a separate bedroom of the house, you don't have to come down and turn on the PlayStation 5. So first of all, using your DualSense controller, go up to Settings, and we need to go down to where it says System. And then, first of all, obviously make sure Remote Play is enabled, which you probably have already done when you set up your PlayStation Portal. But we need to go to Power Saving, the one underneath it, and we need to go to Features Available in Rest Mode. And we need to stay connected to the internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. So enable both of them and then come out of that. Now we're just going to turn on the PlayStation Portal and connect to the PlayStation 5. There's a setting on here that we have to change as well. And then I'll show you turn it off and on remotely from here. Right, so you can see now that we are connected, and we need to swipe in from the right hand corner. We need to go to disconnect, and we need to enable this one here that says put the connected PS5 in rest mode. So now you're playing your game or doing whatever you're doing, and then what we're going to do is to turn off the PlayStation 5 remotely, we're going to go to disconnect, and we're going to go to disconnect here. This will now turn off the PS5. You can see it's going into rest mode. Remember, all this will only work when it's in rest mode, not when you turn it off completely. Right, so I'm just going to leave that down and let it completely not shut down, but go into standby. If I was to try to do this now straight away, it wouldn't work. So I'm just going to fast forward through now about a minute until this turns itself off, because that's mimicking real life. And then we're going to turn on the PlayStation 5 purely using this. Right, so that's turned itself off now. Hopefully it's given everything time to shut down. So now we're going to turn this back on. PlayStation. And now it's going to try to connect again. Now, can you see it turned on there? You heard a little beep. I haven't touched anything here. Obviously, normally you wouldn't have your TV on. This would just be used in the bedroom. And it will take about another minute or two after this to fully connect, because it's asking to hit the PlayStation button, but normally you wouldn't see that. But we need to press X for play, and then it will actually connect to the PlayStation Portal. And there we have it. You can see now that's how to turn off the PlayStation 5 and turn it on remotely using your PlayStation Portal when you enable those settings. So nice and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching.